Alright, let's dive into what makes the A40 so awesome. The A40 packs everything you need: camera, microphone, speaker, and Android 13 system into one sleek, all-in-one device. But that's not all. The A40 is also one of the first Android devices out there that comes with Microsoft device ecosystem platform, which means it's super secure and a breeze to manage. Sounds cool, right? Well, don't just take my word for it. Come on, let's set it up together. So setting up this is quite a piece of cake because there are a few cables to plug in. Yeah, as you can see, the internet, the power, and HDMI. So connected cables. And boom, we're ready to go. And there's a highlight that I want to show you, that our A40 and CDP25 support being connected directly. So I've already connected one Cat5e cable to the CDP25 touch console. So all I have to do right now is to plug in the other end to the A40 bar. And we're waiting for the startup process. Yeah, as you can see, our touch console is connected successfully. So with that, we've got our one cable solution, making the setup as easy as it gets. And then I'll do some basic configuration. Select the language, do some network configuration, select the time zone, select the Microsoft Teams room platform, and press the password. Yeah, so all set. Let's get started. And next, I'm gonna log into the Teams account through the web page. So I've already input the code it provides to me to sign in and select the Teams account to log in. And then just waiting for the login process. And here is the best part. You only need to log in once now. Gone are the days of logging separately for both the bar and touch console. In just 1 to 2 minutes, you'll be ready to kick off your meeting. And there you have it. We've successfully set up and logged into the A40, and it only took a few minutes. Now, let me tell you about another cool feature of the one cable solution. Besides the cable connecting the A40 and CDP25, there's also a single USB-C cable that handles 4K sharing, BYOD, and PD charging, all in one. Yep, you heard that right. 3 functions with just one cable. So I'll show you how it works. So first I need to connect one side to the CDP25 touch console. And then connect the other side to my laptop. Yep, as you can see, I complete the content sharing. And also there's a notification from the touch console that I can enter the BYOD. So I will enable it. And now I'm gonna open my camera on my laptop. At this time, I can switch my camera from my laptop to the Yealink camera. Yeah, it worked. So it means you can join any meeting in any platform you prefer and using our A40 as an external devices. It's amazing that how one cable solution that keeps everything simple, cuts down on the cable mass and gets you up and running in no time.